We're gonna give it a few, let it do its thing. It's the holidays. We about to do up some sweet potato pies. We got 3 large sweet potatoes that we went on ahead and baked up. These was some big babies, so what I'm gonna do with one of them, I'm throwing one of them on the smoker. And I'm gonna do it with some mesquite wood. I know people probably sit back like, man, I don't know about that. We gonna do one regular sweet potato pie, then we gonna do one smoke and see if it becomes a fan favorite. Probably is with me, cause for some reason I just like everything smoked. Everything. I'm gonna finish peeling these all up, and we're gonna mix up the ingredients. We're gonna get this pie started. Use less than half a cup of brown sugar, firmly packed. This butter that's been sitting out, it's nice and soft. About a half a cup right there. Yeah, just like that. Oh, got my creamer paddle. Oh. Right, start it off slow and smooth. Speed it up just a little. Another extract. Throw maybe like a teaspoon. Make sure you get pure vanilla extract. We're gonna use this Eagle brand condensed milk. This is what's gonna make it next level. We're gonna throw this goodness up in here. We're gonna use the whole can. So this is gonna be our moisture instead of the milk, and also it's sweetened already, so we don't need to add no more sugar. All right, got our condensed milk in there. Gotta have the cinnamon, about a teaspoon. Got our nutmeg, do about a half a teaspoon of that. For a little extra spice, some cloves. Just gonna eyeball this just a tad. Now I'm gonna go with these eggs. Speed her up. Almost left this out. We're gonna do a teaspoon of salt. Back to mixing. Be back. We got our crust. We went on ahead and went with Pillsbury. Okay, see if it's gonna fit all the way through. It's a big 9-inch pan. We gonna dock the dough. Let's just put holes in the dough, y'all. But that's the proper baker's term. Dock the dough. That's so the dough at the bottom won't be soggy, and it can be nice and crispy. This is our pie filling. Looks pretty good. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Pretty good, ain't it?
Yes. Sure, I can eat that feeling by itself.
Am I gonna have enough for 2 pies?
You will.
Yeah, that's nice. Smooth there, boy.
Like butter, baby.
Look how it's looking, y'all. All right. Take one outside, one going in the oven. All right, see you when I get back. All All right, y'all, here we go. Trying something different. We're about to do this sweet potato pie. Whee!
Real.
All right, we're gonna give it a few, let it do its thing. All right, it's looking good, y'all. And what we want to do is protect this crust. We don't need to get too dark. So we just gonna tint it a little bit. A little force field for the crust. Not fancy. That's it. See? Just trying to make a little force field. All right. Give it about another half an hour. Here it come on. It looks quite beautiful already. All right, folks. A masterpiece, I think, has been created. The color looks absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Perfect.
Been letting this pie rest overnight in the refrigerator. Firmed up nicely. So we're gonna almost kind of like do like a versus. The regular familiar pie that was baked in the oven. And I got the smoked mesquite. Got some coffee. So this is the regular baked one. Crust is nice. Very good. Nice. I can taste all the spices. Traditional sweet potato pie that Mama would make. Now, about to taste this smoked one. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, y'all. That smoke pronounced on this sweet potato, I don't even know how to describe it. This is next level. This is it. And then, only thing it really did, it just made it slightly darker. The smoked sweet potato is it. Woo. Y'all gonna have to do this for the holidays. Get outside, pellet smoker, whatever. Make it happen. All right, everybody stay blessed during this holiday season. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and we gonna cook up something good again on the next one. Peace.